First, go to the Google Play Store and download the netshare-no-root-tethering app on the device you'd want to make as your Wi-Fi repeater. Before opening the app, make sure you're already connected on a Wi-Fi network on the same device. Once done, open the netshare app and turn on Start Wi-Fi Hotspot. Do note you cannot change the shared network's name and password as it's automatically generated by your Android phone. Now to connect a phone to this new netshare network, you need to have the netshare app installed on that particular phone, and then you can simply go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect by selecting the network and entering the password. Once done, open the netshare app and tap on Connect from the bottom. This will enable the internet connection on the Android device. Connecting your laptop or any other device is not as simple as connecting to your home network, as you'll have to get into proxy settings. It's not too hard though, we'll show you what you need to do. On your laptop, open the Wi-Fi settings. Select the network and enter the password. Now you'll have to enter the proxy and the port number manually. For that, go to Network Preferences, open the tab where you can enter the proxies manually, select HTTPS and now enter 192.168.49.1 in the address box and 8282 in the port box. Save and apply. And as you can see, you can now have access to a Wi-Fi network that is being relayed from your Android smartphone. So that's all for this video. Please